Sanibona bafethu uvane lo namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngomdlali osematheni kule insuku umdlali weTS Galaxy. Lo mdlali ke bafethu akafunwa iclub eyodwa, akafunwa amaclub amabili. Maningi amaclub amfunayo lo mjida lo. Even nale Europe akhona amaclub amfunayo uPhuso Disejane. Yabo umjida ke bafethu currently udlalela iTS Galaxy. iTS Galaxy abanankinga ngokumdayisa umjida, but ke balindele iclub ezofika neprice eright, ezofika nemali eright ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bamdedele kahle ahambe ayojoina leyo club leyo. Remember umjida waqhamuka kuKaizer Chiefs wafika kwiTS Galaxy on a free transfer. After iKaizer Chiefs imjida imxoshile. Yabo ngiyayikhumbula ke indaba ngifuna ukuchaza kakhulu lapho. So ngizofuna ukukhuluma ngaye mina umjida. I feel like uPhuso Disejane yena as a player akazazi ufuna ukuyaphi. Yabo akazazi ufuna ukuyaphi, but ke ngizobheka la kulama club lawo mathathu amakhulu la eSouth Africa. Umathathu lama club lawo ayamfuna. Imamelodi Sundowns iyamfuna, iKaizer Chiefs iyamfuna, neOrlando Pirates iyamfuna. So ngizokhuluma lama club lawo mathathu. Yabo nge-decision ekumele ayithathe. I know yena ngokwakhe akawuzothatha i decision, but ke ngizoqala ngeKaizer Chiefs, his former club ayidlalela. I feel like yena ngokwakhe uma efuna ukubuyela kwiKaizer Chiefs, yes angabuyela kwiKaizer Chiefs, because if you remember indlela ahamba ngayo yena ngokwakhe kwangekho mnandi. Yabo I'm sure even ifamily yakhe ayibanga happy indlela ahamba ngayo kwiKaizer Chiefs, because kwaba khona izinkulumo ezikhona, kwaba khona yabo ukudelelana okukhona between le altercation yayikhona, because yena ngokwakhe he thought he was ready to be the player omele ayithola game time kwiKaizer Chiefs rather than being a ball boy. Yabo he felt like wayengalitholi ithuba alideservayo kuKaizer Chiefs. Mjida mnandi kakhulu. Yabo so yena ngokwawo uthi abuyele kuKaizer Chiefs like uzoyiprove ukuthi vele kwangamele ukuthi ningenze uball boy. I'm supposed to be a star of le team le. Kwakumele vele ningiqalise. So kungaba istory esihle kakhulu ukuthi umjida abuyele kuKaizer Chiefs. But remember iKaizer Chiefs is not the team vele eyayiyona kudala. Kaizer Chiefs right now they are rebuilding. Njobe rebuild nje izinto mu rebuilda vele izinto ngeke ihambe kahle. Yabo ngeke ihambe kahle currently. Yabo I wouldn't say abadlali kahle. Yabo they're on a better position than last season. Yabo they are on a better position than last season. But again, if you look at the group of players Kaizer Chiefs enayo, I don't think uPhuso Disejane mayasangene kuleyo group of players angakwazi ukube ile best player leyayiyona. Yabo compared to iTS Galaxy. iTS Galaxy, they play as a team. And when you see Kaizer Chiefs, each and every player with Kaizer Chiefs wants to be the main man. They don't play as a team with Kaizer Chiefs. Ile yonto eleka with Kaizer Chiefs. So mase aye kwi Kaizer Chiefs anga yabo kungaba khona leyo element eshodayo, agcine naye esefuna ukuba main man, agcine naye seliphela ikusasa. So iKaizer Chiefs masilungise nje leyo nto ikwa ukuthi kudlale as a team. Abadlali abanje ngoPhuso Disejane bangashayina kakhulu iKaizer Chiefs uma ngasi iKaizer Chiefs iqoqe lokho uma eyaye kuKaizer Chiefs. Yabo uma eya. So ngizokhuluma la ngeSundowns. Sundowns ke iyona elandela. I feel like iyona elidayo kwirace yakhe umjida. It looks like umjida vele uzophelela ezandleni zayo Mamelodi Sundowns, but ke asazi uyayazi i-transfer window i-tricky kakhulu. So ngizokhuluma ngayo iSundowns. iSundowns bafethu mina ngokwami it's a good team for Phuso Disejane. It's a good team. Umjida angabe exposed kwinto eziningi, angathola ukuwina ileague, angathola ukuwina indebe. Yabo which is something vele iSundowns eyenzayo leyo. So yes angayithola imali umjida, angayithola leyo lifestyle leyo, but ke in terms of a game time ingaba limited kakhulu game time yakhe, because there are many youngsters ayaye kwiMamelodi Sundowns afika ngayithola game time mase eba lost. Yabo the more uba lost the more ikusasa lakho likuphelela kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Kumele ufocus kwinto oyizelile lapha kwiSundowns. Yabo akufiki nombala pha afika shine. So yena ngokuthi aye kwiMamelodi Sundowns kungaba into etricky kakhulu, because ukuya kwiSundowns it comes with a cost. Yabo it comes with a cost. You might not play going to iMamelodi Sundowns. You might not play. Lokho nje kumele kube sekhanda lakho ukuthi okay ngizoya kuMamelodi Sundowns, will I play? Nope, ngiyengidlala. Ngabe ngizodlala noma ngiyengidlala? Truth be told ngiyaza ayithola game time. Asebe nje neqiniso. Basasana kusayina manje lo uSaling. Njengoba basasana kusayina uSaling Conor Matthews baningi abadlali abakhona engababala. Yabo nalo badlala base Europe abakhona abasha baningi abadlala iSundowns enabo currently. Yabo so kunganzima for yena ukuthi ayithole igame time kwiSundowns. Khona uLetlago, khona uMabhena, you can name them. So but ke kungaba i-move e-right for yena yabo. So sengizokhuluma ngePirates ke manje. Pirates is the third club yabo interested again uMchita. So for him to go to Orlando Pirates, you have to look at the squad Orlando Pirates enaso. You have to look at the squad and look at the position the boy plays. Umchita udlala as a right winger, abuya adlale as a right wing back. Udlala as a right winger. Maso bheka Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates there are few right wingers. There are few right wingers go Orlando Pirates, and yena as a player he can fit into that position yabo ukuthi abe right wing. We have Obosibelebele, we have Tsepang Moremi more often ubuya adlala as left because uMchita vele udlala as a left winger, uTsepang Moremi beno Osuna Police bayafakwa nje lapha because we lack of right wingers asinama right wingers. So yena mase angafike afake leyo nto leyo yabo, afake leyo mpahla leyo asinikeze something. But ke ku Orlando Pirates for me I feel like ngaba i-team right for yena ukuthi aye kuyona because futhi iya-winning the Orlando Pirates iyakwazi idlale kahle, but ke asazi noma iyona yini team ayifunayo, uthando lwakhe lulele kuphi yabo. I feel like kwi-Pirates ingafike iclash lapho yabo, yena angafitha kwi-Pirates, they play as a team go Orlando Pirates, they do all that same as Mamelodi Sundowns. Na i-Sundowns badlala as a team yabo, it's just that Sundowns athola limited game time, Orlando Pirates can get as much as game time he wants yabo. So iyona into engaclasha kakhulu ukuthi ingabe unalo uthando lwayo Orlando Pirates. I know his best friend plays for Orlando Pirates, okuPhuso dithe not uPhuso uLeboni Siyema plays for Orlando Pirates. Maybe uLeboni Siyema angakwazi ukuthi amconvince amtshela ukuthi no man, Orlando Pirates is a good team yabo, he will feel at home. But ke angazi mina ungangitshela noma uMchita vela khetha uye Europe, I feel like uye Europe kungaba right for yena futhi yabo, avele nje I decide ukuthi azini there is no team like South Africa engikhethayo, angivele nje ngiyele phesheya. But ke Mchita kumele ukuthula kancane ayekele i-agent yakhe do the talking. I feel like i-agent yakhe iyona ingakwazi ukuthi imenzele into right yabo, ingakwazi ukuthi imkhulumele kahle nama team, imtholele i-deal right ezokwazi ukuthi imbenefite yena financially. But ke in terms of inhliziyo yakhe I don't think esikhathini samanje abadlali abaningi bayilandela inhliziyo. I think like they follow where the money is yabo, iqiniso nje leli imsulwa yabo, bare abadlali abaya kwi club ngoba beyithanda yabo. Nowadays bare kakhulu ade sabagcina manje, they follow where the money is because there are different agents akhona akwazi ukuthi abakhulumele. But ke it's up to the player ukuthi uzokhethani. When ungangitshela ama comments, where must he sign, what his next club, uPhuso Dithejane ngokwakho ungathanda ukumbona edlalela iKaizer Chiefs futhi ungathanda ukumbona edlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, or ungathanda ukumbona egqoke ezimnyama kuOrlando Pirates yabo. Anything can happen bafethu nyalazi iwind. Singathi nje ngiqeda ukuposta le video le umbone esepostwe yini, esepostwe iSundowns.